Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to archive or unarchive posts on Instagram. Okay, first things first, what you want to do from here is to proceed to open up your Instagram app. Okay, once you are here in your Instagram app, head on to your profile. Now that you are here on this page, select a post that you want to archive. In the post, select the ellipsis icon. And then, what this will do is to direct you to a selection. In the selection, what you have to do is to just press the archive. After that, you now have archived a post. To unarchive a post, however, head back to your profile. Now that you are in here, press the ellipsis icon right here. Then select Archive. So now, as you can see, you are in the Stories archive. Press the drop-down button and head to Post Archive. And now here is where you can unarchive post by selecting the ellipsis icon once again. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now archive or unarchive posts on Instagram. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.